Hi everyone, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you pieces by Madewell and Sezane. The theme is summer season essentials, pieces that are really easy to mix and match, effortless to style. And if you're looking for clothes to add to your closet that you can return to season after season, I think you're gonna find a lot of gems in today's video. I already shared a few looks on my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video. I share on there daily news on restocks, new collection releases, sales, discount codes, things related to personal style and fashion. I hope you join us on there. I'm also gonna link my two Instagram accounts. One is related to travel, Zorimori. It's my main occupation. I'm a travel photographer. And the other one is dedicated to my outfits of the day. It's called Zorimori Lookbook. I hope we can connect on multiple platforms because these days with social media, you just never know what's gonna happen. And I would love for us to stay in touch. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'll love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. Since today's video is going to focus on essentials, I want to open by highlighting the jewelry you're gonna see styled throughout the video. A good piece of jewelry is going to elevate every basic in your closet. A beautiful necklace over a simple white t-shirt is so chic and so easy and effortless to just throw on and leave the house. The pieces are by a woman-run company based out of Vancouver called Pamela. They're really high quality, created to last and to even be passed down to your loved ones. The one I'm wearing right now, it's inspired by Portugal. I love that the length of the chain allows you to wrap it around your neck so you can create this faux stacked look that is 100% tangle free. And pretty much all of the necklaces on the website, you can adjust the length of the chain so you can create that perfect layered look. The meanings behind the pendants are so thoughtful. You can spend hours reading and deciding which one resonates with you the most. I'm gonna include everything you see in the description box below. I think you guys are gonna love them. I wasn't gonna talk about these shoes in today's video, but they were just delivered, and for a while both pairs were completely sold out. Right now they're restocked in all sizes. So since time is of an essence, I'm gonna give you a quick overview. These are slides by La Hodé. They are linen embroidery with daisies. So feminine, so cheeky, so playful. The height of the heel is high enough to make your legs look good, but not high enough to butcher your feet in case you decide to walk around town in them all day long. They are a woman-run company. I happen to know the founder. I met her a couple of years ago before she started this venture. She's such an inspiration, so I highly recommend these slides. But if you're on a market for flats, I think look no further than these La Ferrell Randall bow slip-on sandals, because these suede bows are what my dreams are made of. They're so cute. They also come in a heeled version if you're interested, but for me, this flat with a pair of jeans and a basic white t-shirt and my Pamela jewelry, such a chic, go-to, easy, everyday look. So I'm gonna link both pairs in the description box below. This knit top by Madewell, it's 100% cotton. It's a deep V-neck and V-back. It's slightly cropped, which is perfect for summer. You don't have to tuck it all the way. It kind of like lays right on the border where your high-waisted shorts and skirt starts, which means less sweat, which is thumbs up. I love a good knit top for summer because when you're wearing less pieces, it's key to mix textures to create dimension in your outfit. This knit will elevate every cotton and linen. It comes in multiple colors. It will sell out really fast, so hurry up. This sweater tank by Madewell is again in extra small. I love the checkered pattern. It has like a higher neckline and a low back. I first saw it in the San Francisco downtown store, but all the sizes were already sold out. So I hurried to the website and I was able to get it with a 20 or 30% discount. I think it has a lot of character. It's very versatile and a really stretchy, comfortable great piece to add to your closet. I am obsessed with this muscle tee Henley style top by Madewell. I went with extra small as per usual. It comes in many colors. It's so soft. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I have a few of Sezane's Henley styled cotton jumpers, and they are my go-to no-brainer everyday outfit choice. I figured this will be the version for really hot weather. Wardrobe staple, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Another essential I cannot live without is a cotton t-shirt with stripes. This particular one was available in navy and white, which is a classic, but I thought the beige and white is just so much more chic. You have a deep scoop neck that will allow you and me to showcase our beautiful Pamela card jewelry pieces. It's versatile, it's a basic that will keep you excited season after season because you can reinvent it so easily. This top here is for the romantic souls. I think every time you add a lace trim to a top, it makes it more feminine and more playful. The pattern you see, it's weaved into the fabric. You have V-neck and also V-shaped back. Some buttons that are running along the center of the chest. Really easy breezy for an everyday look. This here is Sezane's long sleeve colette striped sailor top in extra small. I own this in many colors. Now I'm adding the light blue and beige to my collection. I think this color combo looks so good with light colored denim. I also got it because I really wanted it to wear it with this Alicia skirt. This flower Alicia skirt is not a new print, and it's been flying under my radar for so long, a couple of months, until I saw a friend of mine rock it and I was like, oh my god, I really want this skirt. The colors, the intensity of the colors will allow me to pair this for every season. I can style it for spring and summer, but also fall and winter. And together, these two I think are a match made in heaven. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of today's selection, which pieces are your favorite. I want to know. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.